Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account for FB Reels. First, navigate to the official PayPal website. You'll need to decide if a personal or business account suits your needs best. Then, enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Be sure to accurately fill in all your personal details, including your name and address, to ensure a smooth setup process. Once your basic profile is set up, the next crucial step is linking a financial instrument. You can connect your bank account or a debit or credit card. After this, check your email for a verification link from PayPal to confirm your address. Sometimes, additional identity verification steps are required to fully secure your account and unlock higher transaction limits, so complete those promptly. Now that your PayPal account is ready, let's connect it to your Facebook Reels monetization. Head over to your Facebook Creator Studio or your professional dashboard. Look for the monetization section within the settings. Here, you'll find options to manage your payout methods. Select PayPal as your preferred choice and carefully input your PayPal account email address to link them successfully. Finally, let's discuss payouts and best practices. Be aware of PayPal's transaction fees, which can vary depending on the amount and currency. Regularly monitor your PayPal account to track incoming payments from Facebook Reels. It's vital to keep your account information, both on PayPal and Facebook, current. Always ensure you comply with the terms of service for both platforms to avoid any issues with your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.